In this quick video, I'll show you how to translate a PDF file into another language. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So I want to translate this PDF into French language. So for that we just need a web browser. You can use any browser of your choice. I will simply use Google Chrome. Then in your browser, we just need to simply search here Google Drive. Then click on the first website on your page, and then we just need to click on Go to Drive. We will use Google Docs for our translation. In your Google Drive, we just need to click on New, then click on File Upload, then select the file you want to upload from your PC. We will simply select our PDF, then click on Open. Now you can see our uploading has been started. Once your uploading is done, double click on it and then you can simply view your PDF. Now we want to open it using Google Docs. We need to click here Open with Google Docs. Then our file will be open in Google Docs. Here we just need to translate our PDF. For that we just need to go to Tools, which is in the top bar, then click on it. Now click on Translate Document. Here choose your file name. I will simply type here French translation. Then choose the language you want to translate your PDF into. I will simply choose here French, then click on Translate, and now Google Docs will translate your PDF into your chosen language. Now you can see my PDF has been translated into French language from English. Now I want to download it. For that we just need to go to File, then click on Download. We want to download it in PDF format, then click on PDF. And now you can see my PDF has been downloaded successfully. You can find it in your file explorer in download section. If you can go and understand a bit of French, it's probably worth going through this just to make sure that it does all make sense, because sometimes things do make mistakes, and this is how you can translate your PDF into another language. And now it's your time to repay me by subscribing my channel and also like this video. Thanks for watching.